so today is Tuesday the 13th. Yeah, that's what I wanted, my questions. Okay, so part 4 of the review. If you missed any of the review, okay, this is part 4. Go back and do parts 1, 2, and 3 because you will be taking a test on Thursday and Friday. Here's the test. It will be in Eduphoria. And so I will be emailing you a user word or a username and a password prior to taking the test. And you'll, of course, like I said, you'll have Thursday and Friday to do it. We have one more day of review tomorrow, and then I guess we'll be ready. So today we are looking at the lytic and lysogenic reproductive cycles of a virus. This is a review. We are also going to take a look at the extensions on a virus, also known as glycoproteins, also called projections. And then we're going to talk a little bit about antiviral medication. Okay, so anyway, let's talk about the virus, the replication of a virus first. I put up here virus replication or reproduction. Okay, and there are two broad types. That would be your lytic cycle, okay, which means basically the onset of symptoms occur quickly after infection. So within a couple of 2 to 3 days, you're going to get symptoms after you've been infected. Your examples are cold, flu, and SARS. Your coronavirus falls under this lytic because within 2 to 5 days of infection of the coronavirus, you're going to get symptoms, if you get symptoms at all. Some of us, our immune systems are so good, and I say our, but that you don't experience much symptoms. Some people, lower immune system, not in as good a health, are the people who are having issues and having a harder time getting well. So anyway, and there may be some other factors in that, but lytic is the short word, and it's the short amount of time for symptoms to occur. Lysogenic. Symptoms don't show up for a long time after infection. For example, the HIV, herpes, you might contract this virus and not have any symptoms for a while. Okay? And remember, lysogenic is the long word, and it's the longer time for symptoms to show up. So anyway, this will help you answer a couple of the questions that you're going to see today on your assignment, because these are the answers to the questions on your assignment for today, and these are also helpful for the questions in here. So I'm going to give you time to, I've got somebody in here, so I'm going to give you time to type that up. You're done?
Yeah.
You're fast.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay. And so at home, if you need to, you can always pause and finish writing this stuff down. Okay? All right. Moving on. So, basically, an antiviral medication is something that actually targets... I feel like I need my stick. Unfortunately, y'all can't see it, but I've got my lytic cycle up here. And I've got the lysogenic cycle here that stays up in the room year-round. If there's a poster up in my room, it is because it's something you need to know, okay? All right. So, why is it important to administer an antiviral agent to an infected person within 48 hours of the onset of symptoms? Well, antivirals get in and they affect the replication. Like, you're not going to kill a virus. Anything that would kill a virus would kill the host, okay? So what they want to do is get in there and stop the replication. So basically, the reason it's important to administer an antiviral to an infected person early is because the virus replicates quickly. So they want to get in there and stop that replication and minimize the effects of the virus. And let me know when you're ready. Okay.
Well,
Are you ready?
yes, ma'am.
And if you need me to, I can go back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And next thing, I have a little T-chart here. And so basically, on the left side, we have a virus. And remember, viruses come in all sizes, all shapes, but they all have some kind of little extension. Also known as a glycoprotein. Remember, viruses have have a protein coat that surround the DNA or RNA. Okay? But those little projections are glycoproteins, also known as extensions. Also, if you look up here, I added one, also called projections. So, if you see this on a STAR question, or on one of my questions that I give as my unit, and you see projection, extension, or glycoprotein, it's all talking about these little things that poke out of the virus. Okay? Those extensions are used to attach the virus to the cell. And it's like a key. Okay? Remember, certain viruses affect certain cells. Okay? So, and they have to be able to attach to the cell. And these are like keys, just like car keys. They only work on a car. You can't go start another car up with another set of keys. And so that's kind of how these are. They lock into certain cells and infect certain cells, and leave other ones alone. Okay? Opposed to the little extensions on a virus, here is a cell. Notice I added in a nucleus and some other little organelles to show you that that's a cell and that it has cell parts surrounded by a cell membrane. And these are little extensions called cilia. Okay? That cilia is used to move fluids around the cell. Okay? And so, anyway, that is pretty much it for today, and that should help you answer the questions. Y'all at home, if you need anything, let me know. Be happy to help you out. And so we'll see you tomorrow.